In this video, I will show you how you can fix if the screen of your Samsung tablet is frozen or unresponsive. For that, you will have to perform a forced restart on your tablet. Now to do that, just press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time until you see the Samsung logo on the screen. But if you're using an older version of a Samsung tablet, just press and hold both of these buttons for 10 seconds. If you press and hold both of these buttons for more than 10 seconds, you will enter into blue screen mode or into download mode. Now just press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Now as you see the Samsung logo on the screen, just release both of the buttons. And remember to press and hold both of the buttons for only 10 seconds if you have an older Samsung tablet. And once the forced restart process is completed, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. And once your issue is fixed, then just go to settings. Then in the search bar, just search this. Tap on storage. And from here, just check if you have enough storage on your tablet or not. If the storage of your tablet is low, just delete some data from your tablet, like any apps or games which you are not using, or any photos and videos which you no longer need, to free up some space. Because if the storage of your tablet is low, you will face the screen unresponsive or the frozen issue on your tablet. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.